I can't tell you how many trees I planted, but I would say several thousand. It felt exciting to have this thing growing, and now we've got lots of good trees here. I spent my childhood making things. I just liked doing it. I was very good with my hands. I was very confident about being able to learn to be a furniture maker. This is a house which has been here for 700 years, and it has changed, transformed again and again and again. It's gone up and down and meandered with the years and become a place where furniture's made. It's a great pleasure to have seen something as a tiny seedling, not even as thick as my little finger, but grow into a tree and then made into something. The core of the work we do is actually, however carefully they're thought about in advance, they are basically one-off prototypes that have to be made to extraordinarily high standards because they're meant to last for hundreds of years. We're inventing things. I mean, really, we do not repeat ourselves. For that sort of work to thrive, one of the things you need is peace and quiet to be able to think. The warren that is made up of our outbuildings is ideal for that. Wood it's an extraordinary material in the sense that it is rigid, but it's on the move all the time. I mean, every piece of wood, everywhere we're looking, every day, it's a different size and it's slightly a different shape. It's endlessly moving. Any woodworker will tell you the physical pleasure is extraordinary. I mean, it's an amazing material in the sense that it responds to tools almost as if it's alive, really. It's lovely stuff. Lovely, lovely stuff. The philosophy of this place is to allow and encourage people to develop and to have ideas and then to work with those ideas. I sometimes have to pinch myself. I mean, it is amazing what we've done, actually. I just started making furniture.